In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a locked event stuck in Outlook calendar. Open Outlook in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click the calendar icon. That will switch you from your mail view into the full calendar layout. Now go to the calendar grid and locate the event that's stuck. Take a moment here and make sure you're clicking the exact event that won't go away or won't let you edit it normally. When you find it, right-click directly on that event. A small menu should appear. In that menu, choose Delete. This is the fastest removal method, so it's always the best one to try first. If the event disappears, then you're done with the main fix. But if it stays there, or Outlook seems to block the deletion, move on to the next method. Click the stuck event once on the calendar grid so it opens. Then click the pencil icon to edit the event. This opens the event editor, where you'll usually get more control than the simple right-click menu gives you. In the top toolbar of the event editor, click Delete. If Outlook recognizes that this is part of a repeating event, you'll get an option asking what you want to delete. Choose all events in the series. That tells Outlook to remove the entire recurring chain instead of just the one visible occurrence. After that, click Delete again to confirm. Give Outlook a second to process the request. Watch the calendar grid and see if the event clears out. If it does, that means the locked item was tied to a series and deleting the full series solved it. If the event is still stuck, there's one more method you can try from the editor itself. Click the stuck event again on the calendar grid, then click the pencil icon one more time to reopen the full event editor. This time, go to the top toolbar and click Cancel instead of Delete. This option is often available for meetings or invites that are tied to attendees, and in some cases it can remove an event that refuses standard deletion. After you click Cancel, Outlook may place your cursor into the message body, so you can send a cancellation notice. You'll want to type a short cancellation message here. Keep it simple and clear. For example, you can type, "This meeting has been canceled." If you want something a little more specific, you can type, "This calendar event was removed due to an update." As you enter the message, just make sure it reads naturally and confirms the cancellation. Once that message is in place, click Send. Now check the calendar again. In many cases, that removes the stuck meeting because Outlook treats it as a proper canceled event rather than a regular appointment deletion. If the item is still there after all of that, the issue may not be the event itself. It may be the calendar that contains it. So now we're going to remove that calendar from Outlook. Look to the left sidebar again and find the section labeled My Calendars. Under that section, look through the list until you find the calendar that contains the stuck event. Take your time here because you want the correct calendar, especially if you have multiple shared, team, or imported calendars listed. Once you've found the right calendar name, right-click it. A menu will open. In that menu, select Delete or Remove, depending on which wording Outlook shows in your account. If Outlook asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the removal. When that calendar is removed, the stuck event should disappear with it, because you're removing the source that keeps syncing the event back into view. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. At this point, let the calendar refresh for a moment. If needed, click to another date and then back again, or refresh the browser tab once to make sure Outlook fully updates the view. Then check the same day and time slot where the locked event was showing before. A quick note here, if the calendar you removed was a shared calendar or a subscribed calendar, removing it only takes it out of your view in Outlook. If it was your own secondary calendar, then you may need to add it back later if you still want access to the rest of its events. The important part for this fix is confirming that the stuck item is gone. If you're working with a recurring meeting, the reason this problem happens is often because one instance of the series becomes out of sync with the main event. That's why trying a normal delete first, then deleting all events in the series, and then using cancel can each produce different results. Outlook treats appointments, recurring events, and meetings a little differently behind the scenes. If none of these options work, repeat the same sequence one more time carefully. First right-click and delete. Then open with the pencil icon and delete all events in the series. Then open again and cancel with a short message. And finally remove the calendar itself if that event belongs to a separate calendar. Doing in that order helps you use the least disruptive fix first before moving to the more aggressive cleanup step. And that's how to fix a locked event stuck in Outlook calendar.